Okay, you please start.
A warm good morning to one and all. Myself, Dr. Sam Thomas Choi, Titus II Teachers College, Assistant Professor, Titus II Teachers College, Tirula, is very happy and privileged to welcome you all on the fourth day of the national level online workshop on digital teaching for smart learning, organized by our college in collaboration with MES College of Education and Research, Mumbai. I confidently believe that the earlier sessions were very fruitful, informative, and gave a hands-on experience to everyone. Directly, I will enter into my duty. At the outset, I am very happy to welcome our principal, Dr. Anita Mathai, to our midst. She is the backbone of all our endeavors. On behalf of all who have gathered here, a warm welcome to you, ma'am. I am also glad to welcome the principal, Dr. Rennie Francis of MES Pillai's College of Education and Research, our partner institution in the workshop. Dear ma'am, a warm welcome to the fourth day's session. We are indeed fortunate to have Professor Nasir Ali as our resource person. He is an expert in the field of education technology, especially digital platforms of teaching learning methods. He is very passionate about the new developments in the field of educational technology, and he is very keen on updating with the latest developments. All these days, we had enlightening practical experiences and deliberations. On behalf of Titus II Teachers College and on behalf of all the participants, I extend a hearty welcome to you, sir.
Thank you.
I also welcome both the coordinators, Dr. Sulla Thomas and Dr. Suramya Mathai, for the excellent arrangements of the session. All the faculty members and students of both the coordinating institutions, and to one and all who are attending this online workshop. Once again, I extend a warm welcome to everyone, and I hope this session will be a productive one. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. And good morning to all. And I'm happy that everybody has joined in this fine morning with an urge to learn. And now we are directly entering to our session. And I request you to open a website, www.mendi.com. You please open a website, www.mendi.com. It is mentioned in chat box. I hope you can see that. So yesterday we saw another application for making the polls and all. This is another one very similar to the application which we just discussed yesterday. Okay, I hope you are there in mendi.com. You need to enter a code. Let's please wait. I'll be telling you the code. The code is 969770. 969770. And in group somebody was telling that they need an orientation on the use of Zoom or some other video conferencing platforms. So now we'll see how many are really in need for that by this, and based on this we'll just proceed. Okay, see, you can see if you have made your attempt, you can see my screen also on your laptop. Do you wish to have a session to discuss the working of Zoom? That is the question. And we have 38 polls so far. And you can see this also will help us to make like these polls and quizzes in our classroom. The site is mentimeter.com. Okay. Now 68 people, 71. Okay. If you are good at using this, please say no, no issue. And it's an option, it will be an optional session only. Like if somebody has no confidence to use that after attending 7 days program, uh, it would be a failure of this program, I think. Please complete fast. Good morning. See, we are more than 170 people here now. I think our strength now is more than 90. Sorry, 170, 195. Code is 969770. 969770 is the code. I hope this will also be helping you to make your class engaging. Okay, fine. It's giving an idea that most of our members would prefer to have a session. Maybe not because they are not using. Will be using, but they will be expecting to know more possibilities of such platforms. Okay, we'll arrange one platform before our program gets an end. Now I'll move to the next question. Please, how do you rate the completed session? What would be the rating you would like to give for our sessions? Like good, average, below average. There are three options. The rating. Okay, fine. Now, our purpose is not to get the rating, actually, to familiarize this tool with you all. Okay, fine. And I hope you have got familiarized with this. So this is how we can use this tool to engage our classroom and to make means effective. Now I'll tell you how to create this like this polls by using mentimeter.com. Now you had gone to menti.com for taking the poll, participating the poll. But if you need to create the poll, you need to go to mentimeter.com. The website to create the poll is mentimeter.com. Even a mobile application is there in App Store and Play Store. You can download it, and even that is not required to create or to take the poll or participate the quizzes. That is the great thing. So you can simply go to mentimeter.com. Let me see. This is how you have to, we need to use mentimeter.com. Then you have to sign up, create an account with that. And if you have already created an account, you will be having your presentation option here. You go to that, and here you will have an option to start new presentation. Okay, this is the new presentation. You click on that, give a name for that demo. You give a name for that, and it would be created. The presentation room would be created. Now you have to add the items to the presentation, slides, isn't it? Now here Mentimeter allows you to create 3 slides if you are using free version. 3 slides you can use, and the items you are having here are multiple choice item. You can have like we had yes, no, maybe, isn't it? That was a multiple choice. And you can have word cloud, that is for brainstorming. If you need to collect some ideas from your students, you can use word cloud. And open-ended question, you can ask like this, but based on that you cannot write or you cannot give marks, but a question can be asked. Okay, like that. Then you have another option like scales you can have. Okay, scales you can have. Then ranking you can have. I'm not going to all, like you see ranking we can have. Then image choice, we can display some images and ask the people to use it, choose the right one, like that we can have. Then we may have some select answer questions. We can have quiz competition we can conduct by using this. Okay, that's also possible. And time can also be set, how much time you need to give for participating, giving the response to a question can be answer given, like that. Options are there. Okay, fine. So you just explore this. I just wanted to introduce this tool. You can explore this. Thank you very much. Now we'll move to the next one. And before that, only 3 questions are possible. Only 3 questions are possible. It doesn't require registration for test takers. Okay, but for you to create the test, you have to just sign up. It's a mandatory in all the website. You should make a username and a password. That is an account you have to create, login with that, and you have to do that. Like scale means what a psychological skill, whatever the scale can be, writing scale can be created. Okay, and this is not to collect data for your research and all. It's not for that. But in classroom, if you need to collect how our students as a group thinks and feels, like that we can have an outline of the students performance or students feelings, students wishes, etc. Okay, now I hope it's done. And I'm not giving going to in detail to that. It's very simple one. You please go through that. We have something more to discuss here, that's why. Okay, you please explore it. If you find some difficulties in that, we can do. And this is not for conducting online examination and all. You don't expect all the features of an online examination or that much that type of quizzes, etc. Here it will be used for a live interaction in the classroom. You may use like we used the other tool yesterday. Okay, and Hi5P, that is H5P, in any session we may try to use that. It's also a good one. Okay, thank you. Now we'll move to the next session. I hope there are no much queries. The queries were related to these things and which I have explained. Thank you very much.